After we do that, I like to try and give a horse a little bit of a mental break. Retrieving, while it's natural to dogs, it is not necessarily natural to a horse. Lady, I was determined I was going to send her back to Tennessee to Cheryl with a retrieve on her, and I worked with her every day for just a couple of minutes for 3 months, and she would not pick this up. Now, you cannot make a horse retrieve something. You can't. They have to want to engage. Finally, when my requests got clear enough for her, she did pick it up, and then within 2 days she was retrieving it as far as I could throw it. So I like to get her a little bit, wound up here to do this. Come here. Are you ready? Now I have to mark. Go pick it up. Good. She has to know what I'm asking her to do, that she's doing it right. Lady, here. Good. Good. Here. Good. Very good. Up. Up. Oh, no. You cheated. Step back.
Now, if you stop and think about this.
Okay. Let's try again.
What the horse actually has to do right now is create, kind of have a picture in her head of the completed action.
With
right?
me.
And
Ready?
the horse is going to have to predict off into the future. Okay, now what am I going to be doing?
Lady.
The horse has to turn away from Sue.
Lady.
Reach down, pick up the Frisbee.
Good.
Turn around, walk back.
Up. Step up. Step up.
Step up.
Now 1 and 2.
Salute.
Thank you.
And the whole time, concentrate and hold that Frisbee in her mouth. Now that was actually a pretty quickie little version of that. Sue at home, we can throw that Frisbee 35 feet, maybe more, and the horse holds that thought in their head. People a lot of times they accuse these animals of not having much attention span. Usually it's the trainers that don't have much attention span, right? They don't give the horses enough credit for it. And so when you teach tricks like this, what you're doing is you're really encouraging that horse to have an attention span, to use it, right?
Pick it up. Good
and like
girl.
Sue said, there's no way you can force a horse to do this. They have to want to do it.
Good girl. Good girl. Are you ready?
When you teach, and Lady did it just as I was saying it. When you teach a horse that they can do these things,
5 minutes.
Next thing you know, they want to do them, and they enjoy.